Alright, so today, right now, I'm going to show you the basics of Google Docs. Well, Google Docs is pretty much the equivalent of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint all in one. And Google Docs, the way you get here is you go to google.com, and the first thing you have to do to access Google Docs is to have a Google account, and it's completely free. So it's basically the Microsoft package, and it's for free for anybody. So a lot of people are starting to use this, and including Bremen schools. So you go to google.com and you click on Drive, and as you can see, it comes up with this right here. So it comes up with all my titles that I've been working on. To create a new project, you hit create, and then you can create folders, documents, presentations, spreadsheets, form, drawing, and a slide rocket, which is pretty much a better or more advanced PowerPoint app. So first I'll show you the advanced PowerPoint. This is slide rocket. Whenever you create a new one, you can always change up your themes, and it's a little bit more advanced than PowerPoint. It looks a little bit nicer. So over here you have your basic transition and slide themes. Over here you have a little bit more advanced, and you can put tables, charts, and shapes. So you can do all this in PowerPoint, but this makes it look a little bit nicer and more professional. So that's Slide Rocket, and I've used that before, and I think it's very good. This is your basic PowerPoint presentation. So this is just called the presentation project, and it's really simple, and just like your normal PowerPoint. And this right here is the Google Documents, and this is just a normal document right here. And so let me write down my name. So as you can see, I have written stuff down on here. Oops, sorry for the misspellings. Getting ahead of myself there. So let's say you don't want this though, and you don't want it to be on Google, because it automatically saves. Everything automatically saves and stays on Google. So let's say you need this and you need to take it where you're not going to have any internet. So you can always hit File, and you can always hit Download As, and you can save it as a Word document. So you can open it up. You can save it as a PDF or any of these other formats. So let me save it as a Word document. And you can see it's down here, and it'll name it Untitled Document. And it'll go down to my go down to my downloads. It'll be right over here. And there it is, exactly what I wrote on Google Docs. So it's compatible with almost any other Microsoft product. So like Excel, you can use a spreadsheet and it'll download onto there. And really useful, and it's completely free. So I guess if you're not using your MacBook with it and you have a laptop at home and you don't have any Microsoft, you can always use Google Docs.